Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Gocardless account. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account, so if you have not, do log in right now. First of all, I'm gonna look at the settings, which I will find at the top right. Simply click on it. A pop-up will open. Now it will show the user settings, company settings and others. For now, I simply need to tap on this company info button. Let's click on it. Now in this account settings page, let me scroll down. And here you will find something like close account. Click on this button called as request account closer. Now it's gonna ask for a reason for closing our account. Select from whichever one you wish. Click on this button that says I understand. And if you really want to delete it, click on close my account. And there you have it. Your account closure request is being processed. And that's it guys. That is how you delete your account in Gocardless. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.